Hello guys, this is H83. Welcome to Technical Advisor, and today in this video we're gonna talk about how to optimize your channel so that when people look for your channel, they will be able to find your channel name right on the top list of the search engine. All right, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe to this channel so that I'll be able to produce more content in relation to this, and you'll be notified regarding the same. So make sure to subscribe, like, and also hit the notification bell icon, and let us make sure that we hit the 100 likes as a target in this video. All right, let's get started and move directly on the screen. So yeah guys, as we go into the screen, we can see, I'll just open the Safari browser. All right, okay, I'll just open the Safari browser and I'll turn on the private window. When I open it, let us type in youtube.com, and when I do that, let's see if I'll be able to find my channel name over here on the top list. Perfect. You can see over here my channel name is on the top list right now, with few of my videos right on the place. When I click on +6 more, you can see all of my videos are right there. Okay, Technical Advisor, you can see it's a proof over here that my channel is on the top with 169 subscribers and 8 videos in total. When we go down, we'll be able to see that there are other Technical Advisor as well with 1.5k subscribers, right, with 41 videos, in fact much greater than what I have right now, correct? And we have other Technical Advisor as well on the channel. You can see the list, it keeps on going, right? A lot of Technical Advisor are right here on YouTube. But how did I make my channel be on the top list? This is a big question, I believe that you might be wondering, right? So let us just look on the screen once again and see what I have done different for my channel to be on the top of the search engine when I search for it. Okay, so let us directly go into the YouTube studio of Technical Advisor and see what is that I'm doing different. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna directly go to the Google Chrome browser and look into this YouTube studio of my channel so that we'll be able to discover what is that I'm doing different for my YouTube channel to be on the top list. So yeah guys, here we are on my YouTube channel. All right, so let us go directly on the studio, and as we open the studio, we can directly look at the different things that I have done. All right, so we can click on the details over here. When you open the details, you'll get an option that says show more, where you enter all the tags over here. And you can see over here that I have used Technical Advisor as my tag, right? And let us look on the other videos. This is my 3 updates to grow subscribers and earn money fast. I recommend you to watch this video because this will really help you. All right, so yeah, when we go on the show list, on the tags, you'll be able to see that I have also used Technical Advisor over here again, right? So this is what I'm doing different over here. Right, when you see all of my videos right from the beginning, you'll be able to see that I've used the tags in all of my video, the same tags, that is my channel name. You can see over here Technical Advisor, right? So yeah, this is something which I would recommend you to do in order to grow your YouTube channel. And doing this, you'll be able to get your channel, and doing this you'll be able to get your channel name on the top list of your search engine. So whenever you type in the channel like for say Technical Advisor, you'll be able to see the channel name right on the top. Okay, so these are all the 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are all the 8 videos that I have uploaded so far, and you can see that the viewers are like increasing day by day. and also the subscribers are increasing. And this is all because I have used the tagline technical advisor in every places of my video. Okay, whenever I upload the video, I always make sure to use the tag as technical advisor in all of my videos. So I would encourage you to do so, regardless of, even if there are numerous of channel that has the same channel name, just like I had. All right, there were like 7 to 8 people who had the channel called technical advisor, but yet I was able to beat them up and I was able to rank on the top with less number of subscribers and less number of videos. And this is because I've used the tagline in a better way. I've understood the YouTube SEO, and because of that I was able to use the tagline of my channel, and this is how I reached on the top. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I believe that now you have learned how to optimize your channel and grow as a creator, right? And I believe that if you haven't liked the video till now, what are you waiting for? Just like it right now, and also subscribe to this channel, because it will help you to be notified regarding the new updates that I am producing.